Hey folks, my name is Jacob and I'm the Chief of Product at Check, and today we're going to take a look at changing the frequency of a recurring job. Now seasons change, and that means the frequency of your recurring job might need to change as well. After all, how often are you snow plowing in the summer or cutting grass in the winter? So let's talk about how to do that. If you're wanting to learn more about options for recurring jobs, take a look at our other video called A Tour of Recurring Job Options, which is linked below. But right now we're just focusing on how to change the frequency. Now if you're in the Jobs tab, simply select a job that is tied to that recurring job. For example, there's one for Angela Martin here. Go down toward the bottom of the screen and you'll see where it says repeats every 2 weeks. We're just going to tap on that and that will take us to our recurring job details. I'll go ahead and back out here and go to the Clients tab. If you find yourself here, simply tap on the client that recurring job belongs to. Here's Angela Martin toward the top, and then we'll just swipe over to the Recurring Jobs tab, and there's our recurring job right there. We'll select it, and once again, we're in our recurring job details. Now, once we're in this page, we have control over all of the recurring jobs details, including the frequency. And we'll tap on that repeats section there, where it says every 2 weeks. We can select the frequency here, let's say every 5 days, for example, and we can tap Save, and that will update on our calendar. Pretty simple and straightforward. If, of course, you need to pause a recurring job, you can see that as an option down there toward the bottom. Or if a job is paused, you can always hit resume to pick back up where you left off. This feature is so great because it helps eliminate a lot of confusion around your schedule as the seasons are changing, helping you not forget a valuable client and overall just have a little bit more peace of mind. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one.